Okay, this one's a little bit more complicated, mainly because you have to figure out your own conversion factor. So calculate the number of laboratory reports must I grade if each student does. So each student means that every student, so one student, does 25 lab reports, 25 experiments. So one student equals 25 experiments. All right, so we have that conversion factor. I have 5 classes of 32 students. So 5 classes total, and each class has, notice the word each, so in every class, one class is equal to 32 students. Now, it might be confusing about how to start this question. However, it actually flat out tells you to start with 5 classes. So that's going to be our starting number. So 5 classes over 1. Now you might ask yourself, how would I know that if it didn't say that? Well, let's take a look at what our question says. We have 25 experiments and we have that conversion factor. We have 32 students and we have that conversion factor. The number we didn't use is 5 classes. So, worst case scenario, that's the only number we didn't use, so therefore that's how we're going to start. So we have 5 classes. We have classes on top, which means we want to put classes on the bottom. Now, we notice that we have 2 conversion factors here. This one has class in it, so we're going to put 1 because 1 goes with class. And then 32 students on the top. From here, we're trying to figure out how many experiments. So we have every student, so one student, that's from here, does 25 experiments. That's going to be on top, because one student equals 25 experiments. The classes cancel, the students cancel. That leaves us with experiments left over. So it's going to be 5 times 32 times 25, which is equal to 4,000 experiments. That's 4,000 laboratory reports that this teacher has to grade. That's a lot of labs. Now, you notice that they said start with 5. 5 has one significant figure. This one has one significant figure because those zeros don't count because there is no decimal point. And that is how you do number 3.